In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to create a Riot ID for Valorant. Just before we do begin though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, we don't actually need the Riot client right over here. Just go ahead and minimize that. And what we need is a web browser. Any web browser of your choice would be fine. Google Chrome, any Chrome or any browser. Sorry. So just go ahead and type in create Riot ID. Simple as that. Go ahead and press enter. And the first link popping up is mostly the official one for Riot Games. Go ahead and click on this Riot Account Management. As you can see right over here, this is the main page for signing in. Now go ahead and scroll down and click on create account right over here. Now, as simple as that, what I'd recommend, this is a very self-explanatory for making a Riot ID. Basically, put in your email address over here. Most of these are optional. Go ahead and check that out if you guys want that. And also, if you want to create an account with any of these, you can actually do that, so you won't have to be it's a less hassle for logging in. So you can do Facebook, Google, Apple, Xbox, and PlayStation. So basically, guys, I hope you guys find this video helpful. That will be all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like on this video if it helped, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.